Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a general overview for you guys on the TermoRosa XXL D.S.A model. So the Rosa line is available in the thermo models. The thermos are designed for hydronic heating. So I'm going to give you guys a general overview today, take you up close and show you inside the firebox. So I pointed out on a couple other Nordica models that the door's shut. So can you go ahead and let go of that door? Boom. Yeah, so I pointed this out a few times. Just keep that in mind. The Nordica stoves that don't do that, I will point that out to you guys in my videos. So we've done some other videos on the Rosa XXL. This is going to be the thermo model. I'm just going to take you inside the firebox. Alright, so nice deep firebox. Again, the thermo model, the water jacket is going to fully surround the firebox. You have the grate in the bottom. And located on the top of the firebox there is going to be your water jacket. So your tubes, ash pan located below the stove, inside the firebox door. And the rest of the features on this model will be the same as the regular model, except for the thermo models do have a dial damper control. So basically you will set your damper control and the model will auto-regulate or modulate to produce the correct temperature of hot water that you are looking for. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. If you do like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe to our channel. You can click it in the corner there for all of our latest updates. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.